How to recover disabled Facebook account. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you're on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for recover disabled Facebook. And then wait for a while for it to load. Head over to the very first site, recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. Well, it will be landing you on this page. Scroll all the way down, and then you can see the option where it says, "Was this helpful?" Tap on No, and then tap on Other. Now in this section, you simply have to state the problem that you have been facing on Facebook. You can write that I have forgotten my email to my account. You also have to enter your Facebook ID name. You can also give them your new active email address. Once done, tap on Submit. Once you have submitted the report, now within 24 hours, they will definitely reach out to you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can recover disabled Facebook. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.